What's up, fam? DKG72 here. I'm back with another Sketchbox challenge, and this one is for the month of November. Wow, this year is really gone by. Good grief. So if you don't know what the Sketchbox challenge here, because you're new here and you haven't seen any of these videos before, I have a subscription with this mystery box company called Sketchbox. They provide mystery boxes full of art supplies. I don't know what's inside of here. So the challenge is we unbox it, we see what's inside, and then I try to create a work of art using only the materials that are inside this here box. This box right here. That one that says Sketchbox on it in really big letters like that. So that's the challenge, that's the video. Let's get into it. Now normally I will pull out a knife and do all that cutting, but honestly you don't really need a knife with these things. So let's just open it up and see what's inside. And hold on. Okay, so this is the one video where I do need a knife. No, I don't, because I'm gonna get this open without a knife, because I don't need a knife. Knives are for, well, that, and I don't have a cool knife. There we go. There we go. Tape's gone. Let's get that out of the way. Alright, so let's see what we have inside. Ooh. Okay. So first things first, we got some kind of pad. So we got some kind of pad going there. The usual flyers and indicators of whatever it is we've got. Okay, looks like we've got some sort of, ooh, gouache. We got gouache. All right, what else we got in here? Another aqua pen. I don't like those. More gouache. More gouache. Gouache, and more gouache. Anything else for real? That looks like that's it. So let's check out what we got. So it looks like we've got some plaquette. I don't even know how to say this name, honestly. It looks like sort of a purplish gouache mix. Let's see. Yeah, purple gouache. And let's see what other kind of gouaches we got. We got a nice yellow ochre. That's always good. And these are whole beans too. Ooh, whole bean is kind of good stuff. Burnt sienna, all right. Ivory black, okay. Prussian blue, okay. And leaf green. Of course, we've got a water brush pen type deal. Hopefully this one is a little bit easier to work with than the other ones. And of course, we've got, it looks like watercolor postcards. So a lot of cool things inside of the Sketchbox. I think this is going to be a fun one. I get to mess around with some gouache. It's something I've been looking forward to doing. So without further ado, let's start working on some artwork and let's see what we can create. Alright guys, so once I got my pencil drawing laid down, I was really intimidated at first by using the gouache, so I had to kind of look up a couple of techniques just to kind of make sure I was using it correctly. But once I got in there, it really is like it's really like dealing with acrylic paints, or like, you know, when you water down acrylic paints. It is more opaque than watercolor, but it does have those watercolor tendencies, so it was fun to just play around with it and just kind of push it around. And the one thing I like off rip, the browns are just beautiful, beautiful browns. The yellow ochre was dope. The blacks are really deep. The blue, oh my god, the blue is so nice. So this has really made a mark on me. And just like a couple months ago when I got all those watercolors, and it helped me get on the watercolor binge. I'm going to actually explore using gouache more. So really would like to thank the guys over at Sketchbox for that. They really came through. This was a really good Sketchbox this month. I know I've only scratched the surface of using gouache. It's going to be interesting moving forward just how I'm going to utilize the medium and how it's going to work for it and get it to work for me. But it's going to be fun. It's going to be super fun, and I can't wait to do more with gouache. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it the thumbs up. Make sure you guys share this all over the internet. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the community. Also guys, make sure you hit that bell icon. That bell icon lets you know when I upload new videos, so you don't have to rely on the YouTube algorithm. Now if you guys want to get a hold of me, you can always reach me at DKG72. That's at DKG72 on Twitter and on Instagram. My Facebook fan page is David Gordon 72, as well as my TikTok being David Gordon 72. Help support the channel, guys. The Patreon is up. Just check it out. It's DKG 72 Makes Comics. Just look for David Gordon 72 or DKG 72. There'll be a link below in the description. Also, links for all of the supplies that I use are linked below. They're affiliate links, so those help support the channel. And also my affordable YouTubers kit is available as well. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Peace.